everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we continue with my old design series, where I take my past sketches and transform them into restored, improved renderings. In this episode, we're working on one of my old BMW frontal design sketches, bringing it back to life through a full restoration process. If you enjoy watching these transformations, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. And of course, share these videos to help grow our creative family. Let's dive into the restoration. Enjoy watching!